Brendan Bailey with the MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center.
I'm Robert Moody.
And we're here today on this Galeon 405 HTS. We're really excited about having this boat here on the lake. We're here in North Dallas, and we can't wait to walk you through it. Robert, tell us a little bit, what do we got here on the swim platform?
Well, we got the tender garage back here, really popular offshore, but here inland lakes, I think how our customers are really going to like it is to put their lily pads, their Yeti coolers, their water toys, their noodles, their saddle floats.
Instead of having to move that stuff on and off the dock, you can just load the tender garage up.
Nobody sees it. It's on the boat, but it's out of the way.
You know, when we were pulling in and I was dropping the anchor, I noticed how freely you walked up and down the side of the boat. Show them that. That's incredible. I don't think I've ever been on a boat
on both sides. Wide walkways, high bow rails, easy for anybody to get up to the bow of the boat from either side of the boat, just not on the starboard side, the port side as well, either side, which is great for the wife and kids, anybody to get up to the bow. There's huge sun pads up there, so people want to go to the bow. Now it's safe and easy for them to get up there.
Yeah, notice how gradual these steps are. It's pretty natural, too. When you think about docking in a situation, sometimes you don't have time to respond to something, so you got to be able to move fluidly. Really a nice feature, nice wide walkways with a good non-skid tread. So while I'm up here, we have to talk about this dinette. Go ahead and step into the cockpit there, and let's talk about that.
Huge dinette on the back. I think you can probably get 7 of your friends and family all sitting around the table back here. It's convertible too, so if you don't need quite as big as table, you can easily fold it up, push in these stanchions, and make it a smaller cockpit table for in the evening hours. But during the day, lunch, dinner, right here in the cockpit, you can lower it down, put a sun pad on it, comes with the boat, so a huge sun lounge in the bow, in the cockpit of the boat.
Yeah, and the wet bar, I felt like the wet bar was really well laid out. When you think about where the dinette is and how you're entertaining, it really makes it easy to be able to serve back and forth.
Yeah, look at this Kenyan grill.
Always love the Kenyan.
It's super hot. Shrimp, steaks, chicken, everything's right there. Burgers and dogs, of course.
Got the isotherm fridge.
Yep, got the refrigerator here. Great storage down below. And also in the cockpit of the boat, we got air conditioning and heating too. We do have a sunroof that opens and closes, give you a lot of sunlight and a breeze if you want it. If not, close it up, turn on the AC or heat, make it really comfortable here in the cockpit for everybody.
You know, Robert, one thing I noticed about that sunroof is it's not a fabric or a canvas. It's actually a solid fiberglass top there.
Absolutely. No rattling, no leaks. It's solid, one piece coming back and forth, easy to clean and maintain.
Yeah, to be able to open that up and have a sun lounge there on the port side to be able to lounge. I can already see my wife laying there and just enjoying the nice sun, maybe pulling it back when the sun gets too bright, reading a book. So.
Absolutely. And then also opening windows on both sides too. Again, more airflow, or if you need to talk to somebody working the dock lines. Great to have opening windows on both sides. Let me show you the cockpit helm here. A really nice laid out helm. I like all the switches are lit, so at nighttime if you go do a little sunset cruising, you know what the switches are. You got the Ray Marine, the new latest and greatest dash on here with GPS. Also has autopilot on it. This Galeon, it does have twin diesel Volvo Penta engines. A great running, performing boat. It also has joystick control, so I can show you or anybody in your family how to dock this boat at the end of the day. It's real easy to back it in your slip, go to a restaurant, go to the gas dock using the Volvo Penta joystick control. Really smooth and easy. A really nice clean dash. Galeon, we're glad to have it here in North Texas. This is the first one we've had in North Texas, right, Brendan?
Yeah, absolutely.
You know, MarineMax sells a lot of these down in the saltwater in Florida. They're going crazy with the Galeon, so we're really excited to get the Galeon brand up in freshwater in North Texas.
You know, when they introduced the Galeon brand into our portfolio here at MarineMax, one of the things they really talked about was the craftsmanship and the way that their woodwork was second to none. We hired surveyors to go into Poland and inspect that, and they came back with a raving review of the woodwork. So I'm really excited to walk them through the cabin of the boat. So.
And now I can really see why this Galeon brand is the #1 selling yacht in Germany, you know, known for engineering and everything on it too. And this is just a starter. This 405 is kind of the smaller in their fleet, and what's really popular is once you get up to the big 50-footers, and we have those available too that we can put in North Texas, or if you want to put one down in Florida too. The whole array of Galeon yachts is unbelievable.
Yeah, they're really bringing a lot of innovations in the industry. So let's check out this cabin.
Now we're in the cabin of the 405 Galeon. Really nice. It's a 44-foot boat overall in length. We call it the 405, but it does have 2 staterooms and 2 heads, 2 showers in the boat in a 40-foot boat. Really nice. So now we're here in the Salon. Great seating area. This can drop down. This also can fold down, so it's easy to move around in the boat. I like the woodwork above. I got nice storage up there. All my electronics are hidden behind there, but big windows too. Being down low in the boat, I can see the horizon. It really calms everybody down with the big windows. They can see the shoreline. Here's access to a day head with a shower. Nice skylight in the shower too, giving a lot of natural light. There's also another door going into the master stateroom, which is forward. So now we can step forward into the master stateroom. Got a nice little seat on the side, a TV. What I really like about it is the real detail in the woodwork. I like they put the storage cabinets down low so the windows are up higher so they're easier to see out of, but also great shelving in there too. All these little cabinets fold down, so you got some great storage all the way around the bow of the boat. It does have blinds that cover up the big windows, so if you don't want the light in, you can close it off. What's really cool is up above, this Skylights. This Galeon's the only one I know that does this. A whole run of lights going down the center of the boat. Great natural light in it. It does have shades you could pull across if you want to block off the light. You're getting too much. Really big closets also. And this is something I really like too. You got a little drop-in vanity area on the boat too. Real nice, keep everything clean and organized, but a lot of storage. Let's move back. We'll look at the galley. All right, now we're in the galley. I really like how clean it is, you know. Again, the woodwork, the storage, how they put all the cabinets up above, nice and clean, easy to get into. You just push on the door, it pops right open. Great storage. Nice, beautiful sink that's flush, stainless steel, 2 sides on it. Really, really nice sink and faucet there. I really like this storage. Again, storage on a boat. You pull out this drawer, it swings around. Look, it pulls another rack out so you can really shove food and boxes, everything way back in the corner there, not to waste any space at all. Great design there, but nice and clean. Same thing with the refrigerator door, nice and clean. Great looking galley, very clean. Let's go ahead and move into the aft stateroom. Okay, now we're in the aft stateroom. Pretty cool design. It's got 2 twin beds. You can slide them together. If you want to have one big size bed, you can. If not, you can separate them. I love the big windows, and there is an opening port light too. And again, I still have the blinds to go down and give us, you know, some shade and privacy at night too. Really nice. What I like about this boat too is this aft stateroom, the guest room, does have its own head and shower. It's going to be right here forward. Inside, so you do have a wet head, but you do have your own shower wand, which is really nice. AC vents, good storage, blinds for privacy. Really nice second head and shower. Right in front of the shower, you got a nice little area to sit down, get dressed, relax. Really cool how Galeon does their control panel. You know, it just shows, again, some of their detail and all the custom work that they do. That's all your 12-volt system right there in the whole boat. How clean and easy is that?
So we hope you've enjoyed the walkthrough of this 2018 Galeon 405. We're about 20 minutes from DFW or Lovefield Airport. We'd love to have you come in and check this boat out. Our number is 469-293-9095. Robert, I think this is going to be an absolute home run here in our market.
I'm really excited to have Galeon here, so hopefully this will be the first of many that we're going to bring to North Texas.
Yeah, I'm Brendan. He's Robert. Give us a shout. Again, 469-293-9095. Talk to you soon.
Thank you.